Many of our patients comment after they receive our treatments, man, I wish I would have come in earlier and had this done. So why didn't they come in earlier? I think part of the challenge is there's still a very low awareness about how impactful breathing triangle issues are. There is no more important area in the human body than your two nostrils in the back of your throat. And people don't understand that. People also don't understand how easy it is in this day and age to resolve those issues by opening the passages in the nose, by opening the passageways in the throat so that you can breathe the way that you're supposed to breathe and sleep and live the way that you're supposed to live. And so if you don't know these problems are serious, and if you don't know that there are actual simple solutions for these issues, it's pretty understandable why you wouldn't go out and seek care. But once people do, very commonly, they wish they would have done it sooner.